friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Hope is a peaceful village on the Baie-des-Chaleurs coast, in the beautiful Gaspé region of Quebec. This charming community is located between the municipalities of Hope Town to the west, and Saint-Godefroy to the east. It's a place full of natural beauty and community spirit. The area features scenic hiking trails and 2 serene beaches, perfect for a relaxing day by the water. The nearby Paspediac River Barachois is a haven for wildlife, where you can spot flocks of wild geese, ducks, and herons. It's a peaceful escape into nature. The village also takes pride in its fertile farmland, supporting local farms that contribute to the economy. Recently, small businesses have been growing here, including The Old School, a nonprofit that encourages recycling and reusing items. This initiative shows the community's commitment to sustainability and working together. Whether you're visiting for the stunning landscapes, the quiet atmosphere, or to meet the friendly locals, Hope offers something special. It's a place where you can truly relax and connect with nature.
watching.